Hi viewers, Photoman here, back with another video. And this video takes us to a small hamlet south of Calgary and north of Okotoks, which Okotoks is also south of Calgary, to a hamlet called Winton. Originally founded in July 1883, where services were held at homesteaders' homes, the Pine Creek St. Andrew's congregation graduated to a church, which was built on land fronting McLeod Trail and opened on October 5th, 1890. Unfortunately, this site was hit by lightning in 1933, but through great providence, contents such as pews, the organ, and pulpit were saved and amazingly are still in use today. In 1934, W.H. Cushing donated the present 1-acre site of St. Andrews, and a new church was built and officially opened January 6, 1935.